Good morning, all my hellcats and sewer rats. This is the Robster. You've been listening to like, subscribe, and share. So if you'd like to like the video and maybe subscribe, and if you like what you're seeing here, why don't you hit that notification bell as well and share it with your friends. Coming up next, we've got Stoner Rob with one stoner, one microwave, and one meal, and we really hope you enjoyed that. So just chill out, relax, and Stoner Rob will be with you shortly.
Yeah, we're thankful for having sardine stuffing in our turkey today!
So I guess this makes this episode 4 of one stoner, one microwave, and one meal. And today we've got the on the menu roast chicken roll. Heat and eat for 2 minutes. Now, my friend Trish says this is the CUDA. So there's a lot writing on this. So basically it just says remove content from carton. I can do that. Open bag and remove frozen product with tray. Heat on high for 2 minutes. To 1,000-watt microwave. What's one microwave again? Quick, get out the instructions. These trays too, honestly. I don't know. They make me think of like an American carnival or something. Look at that. Look. It looks a bit sort of, well, it's frozen and frosty, but that gives it a surreal, almost rancid, I guess. Or maybe that's just frozen sauce on the chicken. Well, we're going to find out in 2 minutes' time. I mean, it's small, but it does a good job. The microwave, I mean. So 2 minutes, yeah. It's like, you know, when you're forced to, you know, you feel obligated to make conversation, or and so you're trying to think of something to say, and all you can think of is like the worst possible or most trivial things, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just a weirdo, man. I don't function well in society. Yeah, really raw right now. Really high. Don't need those anymore. Because I already read the instructions. We'll clean up our little mess. So yeah, it was I had a pretty good day. It was one of my goals to sit down and watch Afterlife, the Ricky Gervais show with Mum, and I started doing that today. Yeah, just I felt I need to watch it again myself, and I thought, well, she'll enjoy it, and it's got a lot of actors that she knows because she watches a lot of British stuff, you know, and so subsequently, so do I when I spend time with her. But lately we've been watching a lot of Murder, She Wrote, and can I tell you what a steaming pile of dog crap that show is? Honestly. The performances are, well, Saved by the Bell. Well, it's definitely, well, the bottom of the plate is hot, but that doesn't mean anything, of course. Here is the offending item. Let me just stick my finger. Ooh, wait, no. Stone cold. Stone cold. Ah, really fucking hot. What do we reckon? 1 more minute. Better fucking cook. And see, this is going to just fucking destroy the bread, I reckon. The only reason I've got a microwave in my room now is because of when I was because I had to have the double knee surgery, and obviously I'd be spending a lot of time in my room, which is conveniently up 19 stairs, and so that made recovery quite interesting, and so I got a microwave because, make things easier. I didn't use the fucking thing once, I don't think, during that first recovery. Oh my God. It was like after the operation, I couldn't take things for much, like I couldn't turn this thing on. Look, I want to show you. And the fucking bell's not going to stop me this time. So guys, it was around this point that I realised that I'd already recorded this story in a much better way. So I'm just going to insert that in here with the magic of the computer world. Woo! Good morning, guys. It's 4:13 a.m. I've been up for a couple of hours. ADHD, don't you know? And I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to keep uploading videos with my computer, because we've had a little issue. It's been going on for some time. And, well, I bought a desktop computer, but it was a touchscreen and it was all inclusive, like it didn't have the tower. So I thought, yeah, well, that's for me. I'm not really a computer head. Anyway, I've had it for a few years, but I dropped it on its face at some stage and the screen cracked. And so I'm going to give you a little look at it, right? Let me just peel the duct tape off and give you a look at what's going on there. Because, as usual, Rob hasn't been able to keep from fucking with it. And he likes to stick pencils in there and see if he can't make the screen work a little bit better. Anyway, I was doing that for a while. And then I did the old school fix. And I punched it. And I'm from the 70s, man, so, sue me. And it appears I noticed the crack is spreading now. And I don't know how much longer the duct tape is going to work. So I don't know how much longer I can keep uploading videos. I need a new computer, but I'm pushing through with this one. Lots of turning off and on again, and threatening to punch it and actually reasoning with it. I've sat down and actually talked to my computer and said, "Come on, man, I'm doing this for us. I'm trying to get ahead here." And the fucking thing. But it seems to be loading all right without the tape on. So we're going to leave it off for now and see how she behaves once I start wanting to do stuff. We'll check back in, cunts. Love ya. Computer, it's all good. It looks like a desktop, but it doesn't have a fucking tower. I think I told this story in another video, and I can't remember if I posted it because I don't really watch them back after I've edited them. And I'm too super hypercritical of myself. And anywho, is there anything duct tape can't fix? Well, the answer is yes. That fucking thing. Because like a fucking idiot from the 70s, I thought giving it a bit of a, 1-2 might bring it into line. But it's a touchscreen. And the fucking whole thing's glass. So I've never been known for my forward thinking. I reckon that's got to be hot, eh? Yeah, it seems hot. Normally you wouldn't. That just looks the same. You wouldn't sit there, pot it and poke it. Millions pot it, prod it, or poke it, man. Fucking hell, I'm high. So look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this shit. Just out of my way, mouse. And I'm here with little guest, Sasquatch. He's always with me. He's my dude. Kind of envy him. Out in the fucking woods, getting left alone. Oh, shit. Hot. I've got no idea what this is, and I don't think it's stoner food. As if anything's not stoner food. Now it's starting to, the hot stuff. When you bite it, it starts leaking out, and you're like, fuck. Because you weren't ready for that hot bit, and now it's on the fucking carpet. 5-second rule? Nah. I'll leave it till later. When you guys are gone. Bready. I mean, not unlike a Red Rooster roll. I mean, like the Rooster roll. But I've got one thing to tell you. I'm one of the old patrons of the original Red Rooster of Eastwood. Now, I think this was a place that was called Red Rooster before Red Rooster. And for some reason, they couldn't get them to give up the name. And they were just fucking existed on their own. But their fucking hot chicken rolls, they totally stole their recipe. They were doing it first. Much better. Anyone from Eastwood will tell you, from the old days, from the 90s especially, that Red Rooster of Eastwood, because it was always of Eastwood, little caveat. Yeah, man. But it was like, I don't know, Eastwood was a weird place. It was across the road from a primary school and not in a busy spot at all, and it was always empty, and it felt, you go in there, no one behind the counter. That was like, I'm sure they had a lounge room or something back there, because you always imagine these things, what's fucking back there, man? You see the little curtain swaying or whatever. I don't know. And sometimes you get to see behind the velvet rope. The velvet rope. Now, yeah, I'm quite enjoying this. I wasn't gonna film this episode. No, I almost, tonight anyway. And then I'm thinking, why am I saving that fucking chicken roll? Just eat it and buy another one. And I'm thinking, it'd be a waste, because I am really baked, and I am gonna eat it, so I might as well film it. And at the end of the day, I don't have to use it. Got me Van Halen shirt dirty. Yeah, like I said, pretty much. A lot of things are good stone food, right? That you just sometimes wouldn't consider. But there's the obvious stone food that you could have got at a servo, especially in the 90s. Remember the heroes that you get in the fucking heat trays, heat boxes, or whatever the fuck they were, and the beef hero and the chicken hero. They were suspect, man. It was like donkey meat or some shit for sure. It would implode. I haven't always been much of a stoner, believe it or not. It interfered with my other passions, which were other substances and stuff and alcohol. This is all good. I'm not going to poo-poo that. It is what it is, man. A bit challenging doing a food thing. I'm really fucking sensitive about my teeth. I got fucked up teeth. They're you know, they're not rotten anymore. I got that bit fixed, but you know, as you do, you neglect certain things, and my entire being was one of the things that I neglected. So yeah, so opposite the bottom row, you know, you see a lot of that because I talk. I don't know. I've noticed it in editing, believe you me. But you know, this is the stone part where I'm just rambling. It's been lovely having you guys today, my little pine cones. You fucking bunch of pine cones. I called my son's mother a pine cone. She asked him, like, what's that? What's that mean? Like it had some sort of like, it was, you know, something the kids were saying, like I'd be saying it if the kids were saying it. But it's just my word for, well, boneheads, but I don't know, I don't mean to call you boneheads, but fuck it, you know, like I'm not entirely serious, as you probably gathered. And I don't find I can be really much. Instead, I just look like a nerd. But anyway, there's your rambling part over. This is Rob. I am that Gen X dude, even though I screwed up the outro screen and then put it that Gen X guy, and then I kept fucking getting it wrong without the fucking hyphen, and you know how it is when the brain is on holiday in the Bahamas. Anywho, I'll probably, oh man, if I don't have anything else to post tomorrow, I'll post this tomorrow. If not, I might hold it back a little bit and you know, make it seem like I'm not munging out and getting stoned every night, but that's my current reality in recovery. So, hey, at least yeah. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. Woo! I think it was better drunk food than it is stone food. But you know, once again, crossovers. You'll see that a lot in the world of stoners. You'll see a lot of tangents too. And you just got one. Good night, everybody. Hi guys, if you liked what you've seen here today and enjoy my content, please hit like and subscribe, and if you'd like to get notified, hit the notification bell as well. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time, stoners.